Yesterday, we celebrated my daughter's birthday, and several of the kids wanted T-Rexes. And I got bored along the way, so I made a few different varieties because they want them in different colors as well. So I figured I would show you just what a couple variations there are when it comes to making a T-Rex. I have, I think, about 4 videos now on making a T-Rex. I have a basic one that's really fast and simple. I have 2 videos on that. One tutorial that's normal speed and one that's really slow. I also have one on how to make one with a single balloon. You can check out that video as well. And then another variation that I made before. And today I'm just going to show you a few more. These aren't going to be super slow tutorials. They're just going to show you what it can look like at the end. Now, this one here with the extra long tail and there's little bumps on the back, I'm sure someone could come up with making this a cool, what's that creature called? Godzilla. I don't know why I just drew a blank there. But I'm sure you can make this into some form of a Godzilla. So all of these start with the same basic head, and if you really want to learn how to do this, watch my super slow tutorial that I just put up recently. I am making a balloon video, young lady. Want to be in the video, you gotta come stand close. Okay, now of course we're gonna put the eyes up there. But, nope, not almost done. I'm just getting started. Okay.
Ow.
So this one to this one.
I'm filling the whole kitchen up with balloons.
That's cool. Okay, so what I'm doing here, instead of attaching the legs here and having a tail, I don't know, it might be able to see you. Instead of attaching the legs here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this back on itself and then come back down again and have an extra long tail. Just going to put this one so that splits right in the middle.
You have a lot of dead bugs in here.
I know we do.
Wow.
Okay, so if you want to make those little bumps, you want to make that going down the spine, you can. But I kind of wanted this one, you know what, I think it does look a little better with it. I'm just going to put those on.
Now can it see me?
Yeah, it might. Okay, this last bubble I'm going to pinch twist it so it'll be like an anchor point. And I'm going to fold it in through here. Okay, this is going to be the tail. Oh wait, I have a kid here now. Here, kid, hold that. I'm going to make the feet.
You mean assistant.
Assistant, that's right. You're my assistant. Get back here, assistant.
Wah, wah.
Get back here. Okay, put this in. Hey, no shaking your butt in front of the camera. Fortunately, your butt's low. The camera can't see. Okay. These extra long legs really remind me of Godzilla. Okay, put those in the feet, get rid of the excess. And put that in there, turn the feet around, turn these feet around. Okay, now, because it looks a little funny like this, and I wanted to use 2 colors, I'm just going to take a little light blue one and put it in the middle here. I thought I was going to have a nice quiet video with no interruptions, but somebody decided to go up. I'm just tying off the light blue one.
I just wanted to ask you something.
What's
I thought I used to be part of the I used to be part of balloon videos.
I know you
And
do.
you should send one of these videos to Vienna.
Yeah, Vienna can come and see this. Here, hold this for me, assistant. I'm going to take the eyes
Roar!
back here. Okay, let me see. Put the eyes on. Anyway, of course.
Okay, and cut!
No, back over here. Of course, now you take your marker, you draw on the eyes however you want.
I told the stageman to say cut. Go stop.
Okay, hang on. So you can leave the tail super long. A lot of kids will love that. You know, or you just make it however long you want. Some kids don't want long tails. You just ask them, where do you want it? You want it here, 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 and wherever they say, yep, that long, well then you just break it off and tie it off. And there you go, kid, a T-Rex. So also yesterday, I made a T-Rex using 350s, and I can't remember exactly how I did it, but I'm going to try it again. I'm pretty sure I used the one with the most tail for the head, because there's a lot of twists. And this is just the same basic T-Rex design that I made in my other videos. Actually, I think I'm going to try to give this one a double wide body to make it impressive. Okay, now I'm going to have to attach to here, bring it up, make a bubble there, back down the other side. I think this is the one I'm planning to use. This will be my anchor point bubble.
And right after this, that's going to help me tie it in.
It is so awkward working with the big 350s.
It's so awkward.
It is very awkward working with these, yeah. Okay. Now he's going to have some legs that'll hold this in place. Assistant, where are you? Assistant, come hold this. I gotta be, hey, back here. They want to see. Okay. I'm not going to try to fold that through there because this is not actually going to go to kids in public or anything like that. Okay, hang on. I'm running out of space here. Okay. For this one, I will push it through.
Now you see a bum.
Okay, down you go.
Now you see a bum. Now you see a bum.
Okay, hang on. Assistant, pass me that balloon. Okay.
Batman! I'm
Wow.
Batgirl.
I'm so glad this is not a regular job. Okay, hang on. I need to get another balloon here. Hold on to this. Back here. Hang on. Hang on. 1 second. 1 second more. Come on. Let me see. Come here, come here, come here. Wow. Okay. You can actually make a dinosaur with these big 350s. My stock is very old. And when these balloons get old, they get brittle. Brittle means they break really easily.
Yours always breaks because they're very old?
These balloons do, yes. And orient them properly. Hang on, Leilani, Leilani.
Whack time!
Hang on. Let's give this one a streak of purple. Leilani, stop. Let's give this one a streak of purple down the belly. Because why not?
Got the knife for her eyes.
Alright, well we gotta get some eyes on her first.
These two can be her kids.
No, yes,
Son,
yes they will.
daughter.
Just hang on a second. And there's some eyeballs. Okay, where's that marker, young lady? Ah, feet. Feet are everywhere. Okay. Eyes on her. And she wants eyelashes. Here, put the marker cap on. Oh, you got spots on her.
Sorry.
All right, here, assistant. You gotta hold these.
Wait,
Hold
wait,
that
wait.
one.
There's one problem. Do you need her? If she's going to be a lover, she needs something.
What's that? What are those? Those big funny lips?
Nope.
Okay, well, Leilani says if she's gonna be a mother, she needs lips.
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Okay, there you go. So, those are some different variations that you can do.
Son, daughter.
Don't be afraid to mix and match and try different things. Even if you're doing the exact same design, making it with different size balloons totally changes everything, and including how you do it, but also changes the look, and kids absolutely love it when you have a variety. I do it mainly for myself, because when I have a pile of kids around and they all ask for the same thing. Do you need to go pee?
No, I just need to tell
and they all ask for the same thing, I get bored, so I like to mix it up.
Okay, can I tell you something?
Yeah, the show's almost done. Tell the camera, what do you got to say?
Hello, I'm the mommy. I'm a girl, daughter. Sister!
Okay.
Sorry, bro.
Say,
Batman, bye!
come back here and say bye. Well,
bye. Excuse me.
okay, thanks for watching.